Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the logbook. My name is Jeff, and you can call me Floored. What a great sleep last night. I mean, it was so comfortable. The bed was fantastic. AC was a dream. We should flip the coin. But first, Mike got breakfast prepared. The food last night was absolutely amazing. So if you ever have a chance, if you're ever in Panama, get down here. Murillo, it's outside of you know what, I'm not going to say anything because I'm going to get it wrong, and it's not worth getting it wrong. So I'll put the link in the description and go check it out, because this place is magical. It's really cool. So let's go get some food. Let's pack up and flip the coin. So breakfast is included with your stay. So let's go for breakfast. There's some toast. Looks like sourdough. Yes.
Who knows?
And we've got soft eggs. In Canada, we call them scrambled. A delicious fruit smoothie, which I already drank, and really, really good coffee. So let's dig in. Oh, this is delicious. Really, really good. So yeah, come and visit. We are hitting the road. Just got a nice send-off from Mike, and we are off. I guess we have to flip a coin. Just gotta find one. Okay, here we go. All right, we can go either north or we can go right, because we're sort of at a dead end here. So let's see what we got. What's next? All right. Right it is. Hola, gato. So Mike told me about this road that was to the right, and apparently it gets up to 1,500, 2,000 meters, and it gets cold. Ah! Cold! So that should be interesting. Here we go. We got our Ricardo coming up. Take her right at the bus station. Ooh. Some nice stuff. So we are properly out there, and just as I say that, we're going by a person and a horse. That's how accurate I am. What's up, little guy? Hola. Sure is beautiful out here. Ooh, this is some steepness. I don't know if you can tell, because obviously GoPro wide lens is not the greatest for this. And up the hill. Woo! Ooh, this one looks fun. That tire's not bad. I guess I did not need to change it, which is nice to think about. Ooh, nice. Hey, cow. Oh, cow. Oh, man. This is nice out here. Wow. Crazy. Man, this road is so fun. So we're riding on a ridge line, a spine, and it's beautiful on both sides, but I would never know because it's too dangerous to look. Maybe we'll slow down here and have a look. Oh my. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this. And some super steepness. This looks pretty good. This would be difficult to get up, but not impossible. Oh, here we go. Persona. Hola. There we go, little pedo. It's a beautiful view until ba-bam. We still got a ways to go. This is the problem here. These loose rocks. I really don't want to have to go all the way back down. Uh-oh. Okay. This is great. I like it when we're up top. A little scared about having to go down. Oh man. Oops. Well done, Jeff. Wonder why you crash. Oh yeah. What a place. We're getting right up there. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Are we at the top? We're almost at the top. Oh, this is cool. Well, here we go, the last stretch. Ooh, real rocky up here. Whoa, very rocky. Slow her down for a bit. Oh yeah. Wow, there's tons of people who live up here. Tons. 4 houses. Oh, cool. Hola. Oh man. Thank you, coin. Wow. Can you believe this? Up here? Hola. Buenas. Wow. So this town is called El Toro. The Bull. Man, this is cool. We're 30 kilometers off the road and we've been, well, you saw what I had to go through to get here, and people would come up here and live up here. And I would imagine the draw to be self-sustaining and not have to use the roads is pretty high. What, is this tarmac? Whoa. I heard someone screaming. Sounded like a monkey. We could be a monkey country. Still haven't seen one. Pines. So yeah, pine trees. Was not expecting to be among the pines today, or at all in Panama. I didn't really think much about Panama. It's much like Costa Rica. I didn't know what to think, and here we are, and I'm pretty happy. Look at this tarmac with lines on it. Huh? What? What's next? A skyscraper? We gonna get a skyscraper up? Well, I guess you could build a one-story house up here and you got a skyscraper. Oh man, this is cool. Oh, look at this. This is like, it's awesome. Oh, it's a little tienda. This track has been a great one. Obviously, I'm a little worried about my tube tire combo, while not having a spare tube other than the 21-inch. But you know, it's been pretty good. The road's been definitely manageable. A lot of this uphill has been paved. In once we got up into the hills, into the little pueblas. Ooh, cow party. Ooh, double file cow party. Hola, cow. These are some sexy cows. Oh, are you a camel? That cow is trying to be a camel. Another camel cow. There's a lot of them. What's up, little guy?
Is it just me, or these cows, like, have beautiful hides? Or skin? I don't know. Hide is that just the butt? Oh, we got a cow fight. Come on, cow fight. Get it moving. There we go. Hola. Hola. That was fun. And on. Alright, so it's always a good time when you have to clear the dust off your navigation device. So, not going that way, I'm taking a Ricardo. I guess I'm stuck on a rock. So, Ricardo it is. This one is definitely a little more rustic. We'll see how this goes. This is so steep. I don't know if you can tell if I hold my head like this how steep that is, but steep. Yeah, definitely getting out there. Okay, here we go. We're getting clearly off the beaten path here. And it's gonna get a little bit more tricky, I'm guessing. Whew. The scenery never disappoints. Never, ever disappoints. This road does not look like it gets used very much. I have to think of points of no return. So this would not be easy to get up. Wow, this is steep. But it could be done. Might take some tries. But the dirt is a good, consistent dirt, which is nice. Ooh, I hope we go down all that way. I see a gate though. This is beautiful. What? Before I go around that corner and see how steep that is, I'm going to enjoy myself. This is so great. Alright, steepness. Let's do it. This is pretty good. The one thing I really do that's kind of made this a little bit of a less stressful trip or jaunt into the nowhere is the amount of people in this area. There's quite a few, so you know, I'm not super worried about you're gonna take a right here. No, that's a right I need to take, and there's a gate. Oh no. Alright, let's figure out a new route. Oh man. So a little bit of a diversion. How might take us? Yeah. Well, we'll figure it out when we get there. Might be time for some lunch too. So let's just oh, we gotta do all that uphill now. Oh no. Not the greatest, but I guess here we go. Whoa, that's steep looking. Come on, back tire. You got this, baby. Come on. Oh no, not the soft stuff. Oh, colors. We are properly coming out of the high mountains now, and it is this means a lot of very steep downhills, and so far I've only hit one really, really rocky one, which was pretty terrifying. But compact dirt has been sort of an ongoing theme. There is a lot of shale. So, this is let's make sure we're going the right way here. We're taking a Ricardo. Whoa. And yeah, the last thing I want to do is have to turn around. Whoa, so one thing that is, oh look, a water crossing. One thing that you can do when you're coming down a hill, if you're sliding out, is just let it go and you just start to roll, and then pick up the brakes a little further down the line. Wow, that was fun. Whew. This is a little bit bigger of a one. Looking for big rocks. I think there's more. I think going around this way is going to be the easiest. It doesn't look that deep though, so I think I'll be okay. Whoa, got real deep at the end there. Bottle! Oh, that's so much fun. I love water crossings. A beautiful drive through the countryside. Here we go. This is a river. Alright, people do it. Like that way was going to be the easiest, but we're over here now, aren't we? Not bad, not bad. Woohoo, that was a fun one. Yeah, puddles! Puddles! This has been the funnest little diversion. Keeping it going. Oh, look at this! What a place! We got some more water coming up, and this looks like a long one. Okay. Oh, it looks deep too. There we go. Looks really deep. That was fun. That was good. Whoa, and then into this. Whew. Whoa, jeez. This is difficult, so don't go back down that. Okay. I really don't want to fall back into that hole. Oh no. Very difficult. Okay. Okay. Oh, that was difficult. A street light. I don't know why that is so nice to see. A street light. Oh. That was scary. Oh. Looks like we're not too far away from a main road. Alright. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Cement. Oh, yes. Just cement. Just starts right there. Just out of nowhere. I love it. Love it. So, let's get... It's got topes. That's big. That means that there's restaurants nearby. For some reason. Alright, so we got beans, we've got rice, macaroni salad thingy, and a tomato it is. Looking good. Looking really good. We are in Chitra, I believe it was called, and I'm gonna try and find a hotel. I plugged one in and it's taking me there now. I have funny enough, I have started throwing away t-shirts, so I'm low on t-shirts, and my idea was that if I have to buy, like, it's basically forcing myself to buy a t-shirt, and as I get into parts of Panama that are more touristy, I can buy some terrible tourist t-shirt. We are right by a church. It's a big church. Crazy inside too. Alright, Rex Hotel. Oh, there it is. Right outside that church. Let's go see what we got. Alright, we are in Chitre, Panama, and we didn't make it to the tip bit. It just was, it's like a crazy maze in the mountains there, and I just made an escape really at the end of the day. That's how it went. So yeah, we are here in Chitre. What a day. Up in the mountains, those views are crazy. It was too windy to fly ships, but it was awesome. Those uphills were crazy. It was just awesome. I had a blast. Hopefully you liked it. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like it, give me a little mini thumbs up, or a big thumbs up, or a high five. It's all the same button. And join in tomorrow, or the next episode. We're gonna figure out if we go to do the Big Daddy, Panama City, or if we go up into the mountains and figure it out from there. So check in for that, and in the meantime, go out there, find someone, and make them laugh. I'm happy I committed to the scary downhill so I could enjoy this. There's been a couple water crossings, there's been a bunch of nice people. Hola.